Atkan May September chuina kathum khorai Bihar State Tong Institute of Public Administration and Rural Development Gaya kho Professional Development Capacity Building of Self-Help Group Women Tong Manipur Relief Camp Kaba Mai Khani Ching District Kaba Mai Self-Help Group Members Kagwai Khang Jangrut na punguti may training kabong dolanay Anbekar Hall kho ngalaw kanthe Kamong Kautay Justice Asa Menon Justice Gita Mittal Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission State Director Nomaithem Bandana Devi IAS State Mission Manager Gurumayum Kabita Kaniura Guang Kazaw Lokane Mitong training Kautay theory naramang na field visit akani practical takay kanay Imbu na pupgay zagay na panti lungsing na lungbam khang yoga class ni tatkay lokane Manipur State Khoroi official paday akani self-help group member rekchuruk na tasat roi kamong khotai guang kazaw lokane October akhat Khoroi sanay ngan na takay kan mai reksanay tang mai Wildlife Week 2024 le karyang nai na Thawbal Forest Division roi leng launa Forest Division Complex ka Wildlife Awareness Program takay kanthe Umong Kautai Incham Nanun Roy Akiem Adiame Kazat Azu Kau Zapao Kamenun Kang Swan Jat Lokane Wildlife Conservation through coexistence Dumeladun Bang Kautai Kaigan Mai Kamong Kautai Thawbal Range Forest Officer Laisram Dinesh Akani Range Forest Officer Headquarter Ningthauzam Dipa Kaniure Guangzao Lokane Akiem Adiame Kautai Class 9 Kore Class 10 Lungkobam Mai Incham Na Kagwai Roy Asia Competition Kau Frontier Higher Secondary School Kho Linthoi Chanu Waikhom Akhani Zolaika Asem Roy First Akhani Second Position Lakane Morning Sun Sapam Vision Creative of Science Roy Third Position Lakane Sri Vishnu Paltan Promjit Sharma Roy Himai Arjun Gita Gaumai Larik Publish Sumai Khani Shiman Manjor Singh Roy Maung Manipur Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Award 2024 Lawan Kamaita Riulau Maimong Barak Museum Akhani Library Campus Bantarapur Khau Takay Kanthe Kamong Kautai Huyan Bidya Singha Laisram Manglemba Sharma Kaniuroy Kamong Bampi Suna Guang Kazaw Lokane Moirang Assembly Constituency Bangko Nai Mai PHC Kaugat Mai Pochai Kagwai Guang ni Mai October Road Nakanay Ngan Milong Kauti Magithai October Road Nakathum Koroi PHC Hai Imbang Lana Tan Mai Agitation Tekay Punithe Tuna Anjuman Isla E. Mausara Abdul President Khalaba Maulana Abdul Kalam Roy Sakanthe
Haujuk Pawuta Tabukta on Thok Pirakte, Kwaidagi Laibak Thibadi, Akwagi local MLA na, Mari Lainaba, Medical Department gi, Mioi Singda Haira Pawada, Tausabi da Bida, Nasi Pawada Respond Lobby da Bahibasi, local MLA gi, Wakamdu, Tawoi da Nalobasi, Kwaidagi Hana Laibak Thiban and Hijage, Maruena Hujik, Koktagi Primary Health Center, the Laifam Thokpa, Dr. Masing Laitaba, Nurse Laitaba, Hospital gi Facility, the Awat Apana, Amna Tanna Laira Bahai Haibatai, Lairiba, Koktagi Primary Health Center si Jagadi Yamna Chauba, Mafamdi Yamna Chauba, population su Yamna Chauba, Aduga Red Zone area the Sulaibana Mara Moiraga, Mari Lainaba authority singna, Lakliba Tang Taraga Nithoi Pawada, Darkar Leba Doctor Amadi Nurse Amadi Atotopa, Structure Sing, Bibi the Pataragadi, Tang Trahumdogi Numitagi Hospital, Sithong on Sinjaraga. Hairibasi Koktagi Organization Manga, Jamiatul Ulama, Akibo, Ampia, All Kokta Coordinating Committee, Anjuman Islam Mashra. Hairiba Organization Manga Asina, Reski Tang Daihoi, Mari Lainaba Authority the Wakachabani, Tang Train Toipovada, Mari Lainaba Singa Pibi the Bataragadi, Tang Trahum the Gikoi, Hospital, Sithong on Sinjaragan.
Macha Boarding Roy Leng My State Level Youth Mathematical Talent Hunt 2024 Class 3 Karina Class 8 Nganna 3rd Edition Tuang Suna Manipur State Kau Center Kathum Lang Lona Takay Kante Bisnupur District Tong Loyola School Kau Takay Kane Imphal Tuang Suna Prims Academy Gari Kani Thawbal Tuang Suna Sao Yaima Higher Secondary School Kau Takay Kante Bisnupur district khau inchamna phaitesat akhani Manipur ka goi tuang suna inchamna chingkhat phai punguroi guang ka jaw lokane jam ngan lo the